Here on the hilltop, excellence is measured not just by what we know, but by how we live.
Let's get it.
Every day, we return to one defining question. What does it mean to achieve the honorable?
At Worcester Academy, it means living out our core values: scholarship, fellowship, leadership, craftsmanship, and sportsmanship. These come alive in everything we do.
Our values aren't just words. They guide how we've educated students for nearly 200 years, understanding that the best education happens when students are truly seen and valued.
Simply put, hilltoppers show up for each other.
And we internalize the idea that leadership means taking initiative, listening deeply, and lifting others up.
Fellowship means building a community based on kindness and mutual support. Whether you start as a sixth grader or arrive for a postgraduate year, whether you walk from your home in Worcester, drive in from a suburb, or fly in from somewhere else in the world, you will find your home on the hilltop. And when a community like this comes together, learning takes on a whole new dimension. Scholarship means more than just academic rigor. It means meeting students where they are and challenging them to grow through engagement that goes far beyond textbooks.
We believe the best learning happens when students dive into real-world, hands-on projects that spark curiosity and purpose.
There is not just one path. Through personalized attention and countless opportunities for exploration, our students discover their own way.
This approach creates something deeper than academic success. It creates space to build lasting bonds. We make connections here with people from different backgrounds and places that will last well beyond our time on the hilltop.
Along the way, we play, perform, and create. Worcester Academy excels where passion meets performance. You might be an athlete or an artist. Either way, this is your place. From the state-of-the-art Capizoli Athletic Center to our historic Warner Theater, our facilities are second to none.
We do all of this in a unique setting that enhances every aspect of student life, the heart of New England's second largest city, where Worcester serves as our classroom, laboratory, and workshop.
This combination of campus community and city connection shapes who our students become, rooted in tradition and rising to a future where each student discovers their unique place in the world. Worcester Academy has been shaping lives for generations.
At Worcester Academy, showing up for each other and showing up for our community is how we achieve the honorable.